Good morning, Edward.
What's happening?
I've splashed out on our new public address system.
Oh? What was wrong with the old one?
Oh, sorry. Oh, nothing wrong with it, Edward. But this new one is much more modern. Oh, very state-of-the-art. Oh, yes, one has to move with the times, you know.
Well, that sounds wonderful, sir.
Oh, it is, Edward. It is. I can't wait to get my new super stylish speaker system up and running. Now, seeing as you're off to the scrapyard, I won't be needing those old speakers anymore. What have we here? Now, thank you for choosing the TX1000 Advanced PA system.